Thanks for watching Mid Morning this Monday. 1 year into the pandemic, there's a new report that shows teenagers are turning to social media to help them cope.
43% say social media helped them when they were feeling depressed, stressed, or anxious. That's up 16% from a couple of years ago. And of course, this is very important to note because life looks a lot different for teens. Some of them are coping with family members that have maybe been affected by the pandemic, and of course that distance from their friends.
I think the social isolation for teenagers has been really, really hard. We know that just depression rates overall have gone up dramatically from 2018. They're not with their friends. A lot of times they were not in school. And this is a way to continue to connect and to communicate and really also to find out information about what's going on in the world.
It's really their way to stay connected at a time where you don't have that walk in the hall with your friends, that chance to interact in the hallway or in the classroom. So you've got to connect the best way that you can.
What was interesting in this survey, I found that if you do have COVID within your family, if there was a case of COVID within your family, you are more likely to have these higher levels of depression, but also more likely to turn to social media. You know, half of teenagers who have COVID in their family versus a third or so that didn't. And a couple reasons for that. First, that connection that we just talked about, but also to find information. How do you protect yourself? How do you protect your family? Which is one place that you can go to if you're feeling a little lost.
Absolutely, and we saw just there about 69% of those teens, they were looking for apps for sleep, for meditation, ways to cope in a world that looks a lot different than one they're probably used to.
Right, and then you looked at this survey also looked at zeroed in on groups there. So girls, more likely to use these tools surrounding mental health. But what they also found, and this was alarming and terrible, is that LGBTQ teenagers are encountering homophobic content. Their rates of depression are twice the level as non-LGBTQ. Black youth, 69% are encountering racist content when they're going online, when they're going on social media, just to really kind of cope with what is happening right now.
And that presents a whole new level of challenges when you're already dealing with the isolation, the separation from your friends, now the place that you're seeking to cope and navigate those feelings of aloneness. You kind of find challenges in those spaces too with the content that's there.
Right, and leading perhaps to higher levels of depression there. But to go back to what we were talking about in terms of the apps for finding ways to cope, in terms of apps for sleep, in terms of apps for more meditation, things like that. I do wonder if that will then be a change, that we will be able to help manage this a little bit better. You hope so. But it's hard to know what these long-lasting effects might be.
Absolutely, and people have had to find new ways to cope, which ways will stick around and which ones will we say goodbye to. It'll be interesting to see that too.
Absolutely. All right, Shayla, do you use a pen and paper when you're taking your notes? Every reporter has a different method. Some of us write on a computer, some by hand, right?
Yes, my mom has told me, she says, how do you write like this? Why does your writing look like chicken scratch? You're supposed to be a reporter. So when I'm the one that's the only one reading it, it'll be writing for me. But if I think someone else might need to read it, I'll try to take that extra step and type it out.
So here's what happened. So the researchers in Japan say that writing notes by hand shows more brain activity than typing on your computer, on your tablet, something there, which the idea is that if there's more brain activity, then maybe you're more likely to remember it, to understand it. What do you do, Riley?
100%. I believe that. And the reason why is because I write everything down. I have a book, it's full of Post-it notes, it's full of, scribbles and lines, and I use a number 2 pencil. That's my thing. I don't like to use pens. I love to use pencils. I always have, but it helps me remember things. I mean, if I put stuff down in my calendar in my phone, it just goes out the door. I write it down. I have things written down daily in my planner, and I always remember, what's going on with it. So I've always been that way, though.
See, Shayla,
Yeah.
now we know where all of Riley's little secrets are in that little black notebook.
Yes.
You come over. It's so funny because the weather team is probably like, my goodness, what is he doing? Because I have Post-it notes everywhere of like little things, written down.
He's like noon hair appointment. It's like all really boring.
So what I do, honestly, when I come into work, I put down on my Post-it notes, and sometimes it's like 3 or 4 of them. I'm like, what I do for even if it's like make coffee, go to this.
Oh my gosh.
Like after work, I'm like, get 2 envelopes, go to the post office. That's what I do.
And they said with the study, when it comes to writing things down, it can sometimes make it easier to remember the information. I am one of those people. I don't write on the line. Sometimes I have notes and scribbles and maybe in blocks in different places on the page. And so I'll remember information, like I remember what I put in this block or this section of the page, and it helps me recall those details. What about you, Heather?
Exactly. And so I can actually think back to the page where I wrote that part down.
Yes.
And also, I do all kinds of like, oh, someone just said something really important, like star, 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 star.
Yep.
Where I can't, my fingers don't move fast enough when I'm talking to people on the phone, and I'm tip, 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 tap.
Right.
So absolutely highlighting kind of how you write those notes. And in fact, this was interesting to me, is that people who take notes by pen and paper can actually finish faster than people who are writing on the computer, because you assume that the computer will be quicker, but it's not necessarily.
I believe that, because sometimes when I'm typing, I go back and I rethink the wording a little bit more, and when I'm writing on paper, especially if I'm in a pinch, I have to get it down quickly, and you don't have all of that extra time. Where I run into trouble with that, though, is if it's something I need wait like 2 or 3 weeks later, I have to go back and rewrite it because my writing is chicken scratch.
Yeah. Right. I seem to have a lot of misspellings too when I have to use computers like that. It's like all redlined, and I'm like,
I also have 27 notebooks, so I don't always remember which notebook I wrote that story in there. But yeah, I don't know. Well, now we know. We have Riley's black notebook over in the Weather Center if we ever need to know exactly where he is at any moment.
Any moment, it's there.
Yes, we know the tricks.
All righty, look at that pretty picture there over the Mississippi River.
It actually is. It's a nice view. I mean, we're starting to see some mid to high level clouds moving in, but overall, a really decent day. We had 63 yesterday. Not going to be as warm as that, but we're still going to be in the upper 50s, so just keeping the weather watcher white.